go to Google and type Affinity. Enter. From the search results, select affinity.studio website and then click on download for free. To be able to download Affinity, you will need to log in into Canva, which you can do using an email, and then you will get two options to download. For Windows, click on download for Windows. Here you would have a few options. Most Windows computers are Intel/AMD and some computers are Windows ARM. If you have any questions which Windows version you have to select, let me know in the comments below. So select your Windows version and then it will start downloading. You might get a message saying Affinity x64.msix could harm your device. Do you want to keep it anywhere? Click on keep in order to finish the download, and then go to the downloads folder, double click on the downloaded file, and from the apps select app installer and then click on just once. Make sure the publisher is Canva and the source is affinity.studio, and then click on install. As soon as the installation is completed, Affinity would open automatically, but in order to be able to use it, you will need to log in. So click on login, then it will go back to your browser showing your current email ID. Click on continue and then you get a message saying the site is trying to open Affinity. Click on open. You can skip the video, click on continue, and then click on start creating. You could close the welcome window, and finally, you could now start using Affinity. And next time you can click on start and select Affinity from your apps to open it again.